Now again, a few things to note over here. You are seeing this one continuing to drop. This brings in a few questions, especially with the levels that we are coming to. Unfortunately, we are briefly dropping below numbers at 95.60, which begs questions about numbers slightly lower. Now, levels that appear to be holding quite strong at the moment is the $95 range. However, recently we have seen this break down to the downside at the 94.20 mark. If you fall below 94.20, I should say, I'm going to be looking at 93.75, and below that I'm looking at 93.40. Numbers below that could be a little bit worse, 93.20, and possibly down to 91.80s if you drop below this. Now again, in terms of upside potential, if you can find any, I'm going to be needing to break above 96.75. If you can break above that, I am looking up to 98.30. Then I'm looking up to numbers such as 99 for a hopeful retest of the 100 mark into the 101, 102 mark, and hopefully on from there. RSI levels still relatively low. It's going to be very interesting to see how this one plays out. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Thank you for your time, and goodbye for now.